always ask me, how do you put the piece on? So whoever's, you know, doing your makeup first is key. I like to do my makeup first, then put the piece on. My favorite glue, just do the front. All right, right here, right here. Dry a little bit. Sometimes they even recommend that you get the blow dryer or you just dry it. You can wait a second because you just want it to get nice and tacky. So here you go. I like to pull it up just a bit, just a bit. I like to use the stocking cap. Because the hair is textured, I just like to just make those baby hairs and everything just match. All right, so I've already put a little bit of edge control here. And then you can even pull some of those baby hairs down from the lace and just sort of zhuzh it around how you like. And I like to pull my hair out a little bit, and this is a little bit smaller just so I can put it behind my hairline and use my edges as a base.